All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're jumping into something that I think is all about empowerment. We're talking about how you can finally create a home for all those brilliant ideas you have online, super easily, and maybe the best part, completely free.
You know that feeling, right? You got this awesome idea. Maybe it's for a personal project, a portfolio to show off your work, or even a little side business. It's so vivid in your head, but it's just stuck there. It doesn't have a place online where it can actually live and breathe and get seen by the world.
And let's be real, why is it stuck? Because the second you think website, a bunch of other words probably pop into your head. Complex, expensive, and that big one, coding. It feels like you have to be some kind of tech genius, right? And those are the exact hurdles that just stop so many incredible ideas before they even get started. So, this brings us to our first section. We're calling it An Idea Needs a Home, because that really is the universal hurdle. It's a challenge that, honestly, trips up almost every single creator out there. And this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? The old way, it was all about wrestling with complicated code, shelling out a ton of cash, and facing a learning curve that was basically a vertical cliff. But what if there's a new way? Imagine a simple interface, something that's totally free and lets you build your site in like an afternoon. Sounds way better, right?
Okay, so what is the simple solution we've been hinting at? Well, let's get right to it. The answer is Google Sites. So what is it exactly? Well, at its heart, Google Sites is a free, super intuitive website builder. The key here, the magic really, is its drag and drop editor. Seriously, if you can click and drag a file on your desktop, you already have all the skills you need to build a website. And the best part? It's all baked right into your Google account. No new passwords to remember, no crazy setup process, it's just there. And this quote just sums it all up perfectly. You can build a responsive, beautiful site without writing a single line of code. And that word responsive, all that means is that your site will automatically look great whether someone's looking at it on a big computer screen, a tablet, or their phone. You don't have to do anything extra. And that one feature, man, it just demolishes the biggest technical wall and opens the door for absolutely everyone. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, but you're probably wondering, how does it actually work? So let's talk about the creation journey. And get this, it's just 4 simple steps. And the process is just so straightforward. Okay, step 1, you pick a template. This is awesome because you're not starting with a terrifying blank page. You're starting with a professionally designed layout for stuff like portfolios or project pages. Step 2, you make it yours. You just drag a text box over here, change the colors to match your style, you move things around until it feels right. Then, step 3, you add your content. And we're going to talk about the superpower behind that in just a second. And finally, the best part. Step 4, you click publish. And boom, just like that, your idea is live for the whole world to see. All right, now let's talk about the real game changer. I'm talking about connecting your entire Google universe. This, my friends, is where you find the hidden superpowers of Google Sites. This is how you supercharge your site. Just think about this for a second. You can pop in files directly from your Google Drive. You can show your upcoming events right from your Google Calendar. You can pin a location with Google Maps. You can even collect information with a Google Form, all living right there on your webpage. And the killer feature, it's all seamless and it all updates automatically. You change the calendar event, it changes on the site. Amazing. So what does this all mean? The big takeaway is that your website stops being just a static page, like a digital flyer. Instead, it transforms into a living, breathing central hub for your entire project. It's like your project's command center, pulling all the different pieces of your work, your docs, your schedules, your presentations, into one single, easy-to-use place. It becomes an active tool, not just a page people look at. And all of this, everything we've talked about, it all boils down to one final, really important question. What will you create? Because this isn't just another tool. Think of it as a launch pad for your ideas. So here's where we leave it. We've seen how the old walls, the complexity, the cost have just been completely knocked down. The road from that idea in your head to a home for it online is wide open. So the question isn't how you're going to build something anymore. The real question is, what are you going to build?
Your idea is ready. The tool is free. What are you going to create first?